Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through Android clock secret tricks. The clock will be your password in this trick. You need to just install an app, and in the app your time will be the password. Because it is time, the time will be keep changing, so nobody can guess what your password is. So for that, just go to your Play Store, and in the top search bar search for screen lock time password. Now just install this app. Now after installing the app, just open this app. Now here you can see enable lock, just click on it. You need to give all the permission required. Here you need to just select a recovery passcode, like where were you born, and there are so many passcode here. It's like this one, and you need to just give the answer and click on save. In this app you can do other things, just like change recovery passcode, disable system lock, change keypad photo. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.